Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Windows Store. Something happened on our end, Windows 11 or 10. The error may appear like so. Something happened on our end. You can try this. First, check for your Windows update. Just go on your Windows icon, go on Settings. Then you need to go to Windows Update. Make sure your Windows is updated. Update it and restart your computer and see if you still have the problem. If you still have the problem, you can try this next step. Go on your Windows icon, then type in date, then open the first one. When you're here, make sure that you set your time zone to automatic. You click here and on. Also, this is on and on. After that, you click on sync now. Restart your computer and try again. And if the problem is still there, you can also try the third solution. What you can try is to go on your Windows icon, look for the Store program, right click on it, go on App Settings. When you're here, scroll down and click on Reset and wait for the process to finish. And after you do that, restart your computer and you're done.